Hello everybody. In this video we're gonna be solving responder from hackthebox. Let's start. I have already connected the VPN and I'm already performing an nmap scan here. So we can see in nmap scan we got port 80 open here, but I want to perform a deep scan. So let's go for this switch which will scan all the ports, and let's press enter. So it will take time to scan, but we know we have port 80 open, so we can further go on port 80 here. And okay, it's redirecting me to this URL, so I can add this to my host file. So let me just go here and add this. So sudo nano slash, okay, and if we go to our host file, we can come down here and add the URL and IP here, unica.htb. okay, so if you reload the website it should be working. Not sure why. Let me just go there again. UNIKA, I'm sorry, so this is a wrong spelling. Okay, now this is our website. Okay, we can go here and explore it. So it's a simple website, there's nothing here to be honest. Who can trust us? Okay, there this order now, but this button don't work, and there's nothing here. If we go here, we got this here. So this is, we can basically translate the web page from French to English. Okay, this is interesting, so let's go for French again. And here we have page equal to french.html. okay, and there's nothing more, so we can use the source code and okay, here. So if we see here, we have this right here, you guys can see, for changing the language. I wonder if we can perform local file installation. So let me just go for it. So okay, so I suppose it has local file installation, but let me just go there and answer the first question, which is when visiting the website, a web service using the IP address, which is the domain that we are being redirected to, says unica.htb, what scripting language is being used on the web server to generate web pages. So we can see it's PHP. What is the name of the URL parameter which is used to load different languages? So it's page here. Which one of the following page parameter would be an example of exploiting local files? Okay, here, and okay, so these actually give me example, so I can copy this and paste it right here. So this, let me just copy this and let me see if we can access it. So alright, so we can access the host file, which means we can do a lot of stuff. Okay, but let me just go to the next question, which is which one of the following values for page would be an example of exploiting a RFI? Okay, so what we can do is basically now I'll show you guys. Okay, so we are let's just keep this question right here, and let me just go there and just show you guys. Okay, and I'll show you guys what's up with this. Okay, so here french.html and this. Okay, so we got this, we can copy this, wait here, and this is the basically answer, and we can go here and do this. Now I'll explain to you guys what's up with this, but let me just go to the next question, which is what does NTLM stands for. So I think I'm not sure, it's something wait, new technology land manager. It's basically let me just go there and show you guys on Google here. So basically I think there is v2 as well, v2 NTLM v2, yeah, but it's basically used for authentication. Okay, and we can exploit it, and I'll show you how to exploit it later. Okay, Anyways, the which flag do we use in responder utility to specify a network interface? So it basically gave us a hint to use this responder, and I'll show you guys what the responder is. So if you go over here and type responder -h, and it's a program basically which we are gonna use, and I'll show you what it will do. So okay, let me just clear it, and type is used to specify the network interface. So if I do ifconfig, we can see here we have a lot of network interfaces here, but we are using this one, so it's TU10. And what we can do is responder TU10. Okay, so I'm sorry, we are gonna run this responder application on our this okay, this is a big I. So okay, now we have responder on this one, and I'll show you guys what it do. Okay, it's very interesting. So let me just copy this, and we have this right here, right? Just go here and change this, okay, and you guys see a magic here. It will reload, and boom. Okay, now I'll explain to you what happened. Okay, basically we use RFI to give us the NTLM hash, and using this thing we can basically authenticate into the computer. Okay, and let me go to my nmap scan which I was doing. Okay, I think it's not still completed, it's 90% completed. Okay, so okay, I'll wait for it to complete, and I'll show you guys something interesting more. Okay, but basically what we can do is we have this NTLM hash, and we can basically use this to log in now. Okay, so let me just copy it here, and I'll exit it and create a new file, hash.txt, paste it here and close it. Now we can use John to crack it. So John slash the word list, word list is equal to slash user slash here slash word list slash rockq.txt. So this is the word list I'm gonna be using to crack, and then we can specify hash.txt. So okay, now here it cracked the password. It automatically identified the password NTLM v2, and it automatically gave us the password. So this is a password for badminton. Badminton is like the password for the user administrator. Okay, now what we can do is we can go to our nmap scan. Okay, and we can see we have one more port open. The first scan I did was it was on the first 1000 ports, but now we have full scan, and we have this port open. So I'll show you guys what this port does. So if I type port, okay, basically this port is on WinRM. It's just think of it like a service running on this port by default. It's called Windows Microsoft Windows Remote Management, and we can exploit this service by a program called Evil WinRM. So if you don't have Evil WinRM installed, what you can do is you can do gem install Evil WinRM, and I think you can also do sudo apt install Evil WinRM. Okay, so that's how you install this program. Okay, but anyways, we are gonna use this program to exploit this service which is running Evil WinRM, and we know it by nmap. Okay, so what we can do is now we have the password, which is this. We have the username. We can use Evil WinRM. So Evil WinRM. You can specify IP by -i here, and let me go here and grab the IP. So here, and you can use //user, which is administrator // password badminton. Okay, and it will try to establish a connection here, and let me just see if I type the password correct. Badminton. Okay, never mind, I used the capital B. I'm not sure why it's not working. I can start another session. here. So evil winrm, and I'll go here and change the password. So now we should be in the computer, and it's very interesting. While it's connected, I can answer the questions right here, which are: what flag do we use in responder utility? Specify the network interface. So we use -I. And the next question: there are several tools that take NTLM v2 challenge size response and try million of password generate the same response. One tool is often referred to John. Is John the Ripper? It's a very popular tool. But password is for the administrator user, so it is badminton. We will use a service, i.e. Running on the box, to remotely access the responder machine using the password we recovered. What port PC port is listening on to? So it was 5985 here, and let me submit the root flag. So we are in the computer now. We can go back by this. No, wait, actually we can list all the files here. So let me just use dir. There's no file, so I can go back and dir cd desktop. Usually flags are in desktop, so let me just go there and type. There is no flag here as well. That's interesting. There should be a flag here. This is, I think this is fucking bug, and this is fucking power shell here. So I'm not sure why it's not working. I can go back. I can try to go back and see if it's working. So I can do dir here, and it's working. So there is no flag on administrator desktop, but we can go to mic. I can see on mic, so cd dir, and we got desktop. So usually flags are in desktop, so we are gonna go desktop and dir. Okay, yeah, there's the flag. So we can use the type command in Windows to display the content inside the txt file, and this is a flag. You can copy it and submit it right here, and that was it. Okay, so this was it for today's video. This box was kind of, I would say, not for very beginners. Like, if you are a very beginner, this box is not for you. I mean, if you understand what's happening, that's good. But if you don't, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll answer it. Anyways, this was it for today's video. I will summarize it for you guys. So basically, we had this website, and we use RFI to get the NTLM hash. Okay, and from the NTLM hash, we cracked it and log in using the NTLM hash using this program called evil winrm. Okay, and we got a flag from here. So this was a summary, and anyways, I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.